G'day heroes, legends, everyone else. Another $1 million production here, looking at cooking and coffee equipment for a motorcycle. So what I used to have versus what I have now. So this back half is the gear I used to carry. 360 stove and gas bottle. Used to ride in the pannier. Methylated spirits in its shop shelf bottle. Used to live in my gear bag or my overnight bag. And methylated spirits container, Chinese alcohol stove, and a military canteen. So that's bottle, cup, stove, base, I guess. That leaked, wasn't worth buying. That worked pretty good. So that carried over to my current setup. This is now gone and in my spare bike. The stand also carried over. Trangia stove is out of this kit. So the stand, the stove, the lid and throttle, as well as the container for the Moto, live in that shirt pocket and they stay in the tank bag. This Pathfinder canteen kit, I guess you'd call it, lives in this Cedar Summit roll-up 1.5 litre bag. That stays in my tank bag also, so I've always got the gear I need to make a coffee or cook a tin of stew, whatever. There's enough fuel there to boil a cup of water, a few cups of water obviously, a cup of water a few times, however you want to word it. This is a T25 Trangia that I got off the marketplace. Fry pan lid, strainer slash cutting board, glorified chucks cloth. So because I run the alcohol stove separately, gives me room to run gas canister and a gas cooker inside. So that's just a Coleman cooker. Got an opener, knife, lighter. That's the handle for the pots, same as an MSR or whatever, I guess. Grabs onto the sides. So, and then there's the Trangia Metho storage container. It is a bit better because it's got a small outlet, allows me to fill that small jerry can without spilling it. So some of these run a kettle inside of them. I never really saw the point, mine didn't come with one, but because there's 2 pots and I've got that, I don't really need a kettle as such. Maybe if you're melting snow or doing something, but anyway, there's a bit of a look at the gear I carry versus what I used to carry. Hopefully it helps you not buy something you don't want, or maybe shows you something you've never seen before. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, ask a question. Might see you in the brigalow.